Right, on today's video we are going to look at changing the battery in this watch. So this is a lot easier than you would think. If I just get something. Right, so as you can see it's all stopped, so what we're going to do is just pop that on a piece of paper. The battery this watch takes, the Sekonda, is a 377 SR626SW. So this battery, I think it's quite an old one, so I'm not sure if it's going to be that good, but anyway, let's proceed. So on the top right hand side, if you look around the cover plate, you can see this one has got like an indentation. So I've got like a tiny watchmaker's screwdriver here, and all you need to do is push in and prise this up slowly and carefully, and that will come off. So this one's got a rubber band or gasket inside to obviously make it waterproof. There's always a little bit of risk with this if you do it, especially with some more expensive watches. You've got to be a bit careful that you don't damage any seals or cause any issues. So, but doing it on a cheap watch, it's not really an issue. So that's the battery we're going to put in. This is the one we're taking out, so we're just going to flick that sucker out. Here we go, and we're going to put this one in, just like that. And then it's just the same process putting this back on, making sure that the wording's the correct way up, and then just push it into place. And then you just check around the edges with your fingernails, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So there you go, there's the watch moving again. We can adjust the time correctly, so it is now 4:39. And that's it. So thanks for watching this quick video. Hopefully it's been of help to you. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another one.